G'day, welcome to Tuesday, 16th of June 2020. As it's Tuesday, we generally talk crypto. Today we're talking the state of crypto adoption. Last night, Crypto.com released a research report into the state of adoption for the crypto market. Here are some of the findings, giving expert insight into the progression of the market into mass adoption. Crypto faces 5 adoption barriers, namely unclear use cases, lack of use options, fees and speed, ease of use, and the negative stigma. To set the tone on where the current user base of crypto sits, here are a few survey results and an outline on the current ecosystem. Crypto.com surveyed its users and found that most respondents believe that mass adoption of cryptocurrencies means that it should be in some way used as a currency for daily transactions. The results of this survey are shown in the next graph. At the same time, research found that most respondents view crypto as an investment first and as a currency last. In this next graph, cryptocurrency to me is. Research also suggests that only 16% of people are actually using crypto, though 85% are aware of it, shown in this next graph. All the data from the survey suggests to the experts that crypto has not yet reached mass adoption, if we consider it as a currency. So how many people own crypto, and how many people actually use it for payments? The report suggests there are roughly 66 million cryptocurrency owners. Only 36% of the respondents in Crypto.com's survey report having ever used crypto for buying goods or services, suggesting that less than 24 million users use their crypto as a currency. The low usage of crypto as payment is partially attributed to the limited acceptance of crypto as a payment currency as of now. That being said, many crypto services have built and are building payment solutions to help free up the crypto payment ecosystem to increase crypto's standing as a medium of exchange, all to drive mass adoption. As soon as the ecosystem is easier for the general population, the quicker adoption will rise. Here's a broader view of the current ecosystem in the next chart. It's pretty complex, so take a moment to check that one out. The future will see further refinement of this ecosystem. The main constraint is the on and off ramps. Once this becomes easier, adoption will soon follow, likely at an exponential rate. With that covered, let's look into the market's adoption barriers. Unclear use cases. While there is still a lot of confusion from the general public, Crypto.com believes that this problem may be less prominent when people become more educated on crypto. The use cases for different cryptocurrencies are very clear. Bitcoin as a store of value and as decentralized currency, Ethereum, programmable money, XRP, global remittance, etc., for all the other coins. In general, the use cases are there and are strong. This will not be a hard adoption barrier. The key to solving this barrier is through more education, and as the space is simplified for the masses, the notion for unclear use cases will decrease. Lack of use options. Lack of use options is the equivalent to saying that there are too few merchants that accept crypto. Although the list of merchants accepting crypto is growing, it still only contributes to a very small proportion worldwide. As said in the report, merchant acquisition is hard, requiring payment platforms to reach out to businesses one by one. The situation is especially tough for crypto when considering technology integration costs, a relatively small user base, and market size. This will be a significant barrier to overcome because although merchant integration can be done easily by providing addresses, it still takes effort and costs for merchants to update existing systems. However, in future, as more come on board, to remain competitive, merchants will have to jump on board. Remember that Ainslie accepts crypto payments for any bullion or any other crypto in an easy, transparent manner. Fees and speed. For Bitcoin, one may need to wait 60 minutes, 6 blocks, until a transaction can be confirmed. Even one block can take anywhere between 5 to 30 minutes. For small transactions such as buying a cup of coffee, this kind of delay is just not realistic, and shown in the next chart. Transaction fees are another issue. Bitcoin's transaction fee is independent of volume, meaning that no matter how much the transaction is, $5 for a coffee or $500,000 for a house, the user can expect to pay around $1 to facilitate the transfer. This is why the market has slowly been shifting away from Bitcoin as being a merchant payment solution to more of a store of value. There are many crypto projects trying to solve this problem, but there is the scalability trilemma. Ease of use. While crypto veterans may not feel it, stepping into crypto is a very, very daunting task. Here are a list of common barriers that beginners face, as identified by Crypto.com's report. Check out this graph here. Public and private keys, loss of private keys, hard to remember addresses, and gas fees, which are always confusing for everybody. This barrier can easily be solved by focusing on designing a beginner-friendly user interface and providing education. Again, Ainslie make all this simple for any user, providing a human-to-human means of trading crypto with traditional payment options. Negative stigma. Bitcoin in its early days was closely tied to illegal transactions. One famous example is the first modern darknet market, Silk Road. The crypto market had come a long way since the early days, however. Data suggests that the percentage of Bitcoin used in the darknet has declined significantly to near nothing since the early days. This next chart showing percentage and volume flowing into darknet markets. Looks like the USD is winning that one at the moment. The more mature crypto market will gradually change the public's perception. As reputable partnerships are formed, the crypto space's credibility will increase. This barrier will break down slowly, but not be a big hurdle in the future. To summarize, we should not forget that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology is still an emerging technology that's only been around 12 years. The adoption of crypto technology has been likened to the internet in 1994. And you can check out this next chart showing the growth between crypto users and internet users through a similar time frame. The barriers that are currently in the market will be solved, and mass adoption will follow shortly. Big tech offering crypto and CBDCs will also further accelerate crypto's path to mass adoption. The market has come a long way even in the last year. So who knows what the market will look like in a year, let alone 10 years. While having the barriers discussed today, all data and trend show that crypto is still on track for exponential growth and eventually mass adoption. We just have the opportunity now to invest before mainstream understanding. And history doesn't give us many such opportunities. Thanks for joining us today. That's our little update on crypto. And remember, if you are interested in purchasing, trading, or selling any cryptocurrency, please jump over to ainslewealth.com.au.